everyone. Let us see few more examples based on laws of exponents. Show that 1 by 1 plus x to the power b minus a plus x to the power c minus a plus 1 by 1 plus x to the power a minus b plus x to the power c minus b plus 1 by 1 plus x to the power b minus c plus x to the power a minus c equal to 1 we are supposed to prove. LHS I am taking and proving. Here we are using x to a to the power m divided by a to the power n equal to a to the power m minus n. Reverse way also we will use the same thing. So now 1 by 1 plus a to the power m minus n can be written as a to the power m divided by a to the power n. So x to the power b divided by x to the power a plus x to the power c divided by x to the power a plus 1 by 1 plus x to the power a divided by x to the power b plus x to the power c divided by x to the power b plus 1 by 1 plus x to the power b divided by x to the power c plus x to the power a divided by x to the power c. Now here I am taking 1. Here also 1 by 1 by 1 because all of them are fractions. I will take this one as LCM x to the power a. Now here 1 in x to the power a, same number times x to the power a times. So it will become x to the power a plus here this one will go in one time only. 1 into x to the power a, x to the power b becomes x to the power b only plus x to the power c here plus 1 by as it is plus 1 by this part LCM is x to the power b. So it will become x to the power b here plus x to the power a here plus x to the power c plus 1 by LCM will be x to the power c. 1 in x to the power c, x to the power c times plus this one x to the power c in x to the power c one time. 1 in x to the power b, x to the power b plus x to the power a. Here 1 divided by fraction is there. Then I have to write the reciprocal of this one. So here I am writing, suppose 1 divided by 1 by 2 is there. This can be written as 1 divided by 1 by 2 I can write. That is 1 times 2 by 1 will write, right? So 1 divided by this part. This part reciprocal I am writing. That is 1 into x to the power a by x to the power a plus x to the power b plus x to the power c plus 1 into x to the power b by x to the power b plus x to the power a plus x to the power c plus 1 into x to the power c by x to the power c plus x to the power b plus x to the power a. Now 1 times whatever maybe the same number will get x to the power a by x to the power a plus x to the power b plus x to the power c plus x to the power b by x to the power b plus x to the power a plus x to the power c plus x to the power c by x to the power c plus x to the power b plus x to the power a. Now all of them are representing like a fractions. The denominators are same over here. Check it out. All of them are same. So I am taking a common denominator x to the power a plus x to the power b plus x to the power c as the LCM. Now this one in this one time 1 into x to the power a, x to the power a plus this will go in this one time 1 into x to the power b, x to the power b plus x to the power c. Then both numerator and the denominator are representing the same. The value gets cancelled. This value is 1. That is LHS. That is RHS. Clear? Thank you.